Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Khadija. Good morning, everyone. Asma, Mifra. Good morning, beta. Good morning, Amna.
Teacher, I will tell you something.
Yes,
Cute.
Ibrahim.
It's so beautiful. It's a helicopter. Brown candle joy.
Oh
It's
my
the
God.
pieces.
Ibrahim is having
Good
such
morning,
a
ma'am.
tiny and cute helicopter. Good morning,
morning, ma'am.
Mariam. Good morning,
Show me,
Mariam.
Ibrahim.
Yes, Mariam.
Look, guys, it's a helicopter. Look like that. It's a
So
helicopter.
tiny and cute helicopter.
And I have a yes, it's from the phone. Only you need to do that on the game. You need to download it. That it has visors and mouth and 2 eyes. Not a
Okay,
nose.
Ibrahim. So how does this helicopter fly high? How does it fly?
There's a great thing.
Hmm.
Like that. It's when you can fly itself. Like that.
Okay. Yes, Mariam. Come again, beta.
This is a piece. This is a piece. And that's a piece too. And that's one of the piece.
Yes, Mariam.
The helicopters don't fly above the cloud. Good morning, Mariam Gola.
Good morning, Ayat.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ayat.
How are you, ma'am?
Absolutely fine, Ayat. How are you?
I am also fine.
Very good. What about Asma? Asma, put on your video, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell me.
This is and the helicopter don't fly
Wow,
above the
Ayat, very
cloud.
good. Okay, very good. Mariam has given us a very, very nice understanding point.
Toys to meet the helicopter. The toys to meet the new friend of the helicopter.
Okay. Okay. So now
I
keep your helicopter aside.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Rufeda.
Ma'am, can we do that?
Yes, beta. Yes. Quickly take out your science notebook, everybody.
Science notebook. It's a math class.
Yes.
Teacher
Yes,
said
Mariam,
today
come
from
again.
5 lines of writing work.
Okay, beta. Today we will do some writing work and some understanding work also.
I returned the
Very good. Anna has already written it. Very good. Very good. Yes, Maria. Wait, I am writing here on the board. Okay, quickly take out your science notebook, everybody. Let's write
Abu science.
date.
Science.
Maths book or science?
Yes, beta.
यहाँ पर लिख
इधर
हाँ यहाँ ओके पेंसिल ले लो पेंसिल कहना नहीं है पेंसिल
Okay. So, okay. Mifra also joined. Yes, Mifra. Good morning, beta.
we have to make this.
Yes, beta. Come again, Mifra. Mifra. Come again, beta.
I didn't mean to say nothing.
Okay. So, Mifra, now we are going to study something about plants. Okay. So, everybody take out your science notebook quickly. Quickly take out your science notebook.
I took it out.
Very good. Just write today's date, name of the topic, and that we are going to study today. And then I will take you to something that is written in a book. Only these two things for now. You don't need to write anything more.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kabir beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Quickly take out your science notebook, Kabir. Yes.
I'm gonna write the topic.
Very good, Amna. Very good. Very good, Amna. Ibrahim, you also write today's date and the topic.
And okay, I'm just going to write the page number.
Khadija is writing Tawhid. Put on your video, Tawhid, beta. Tawhid, please put on your... You want to write your own name, Mariam? Very good, Rufeda. Very good. Have you written, Mariam, the topic and today's date? Very good, Rufeda. I saw it, beta. Okay, those who have completed writing, you can show it to me.
Man, my turn.
Done. Very good, Ayat. Good. Who's the next one to complete quickly? Then I will be taking you to something more interesting about plants. Okay. So quickly complete the writing part. Tawhid, put on your video, Tawhid.
हाँ लिखे
क्या लिखे क्या लिखे उसको क्या लिखे growing लिख दो लिख दो
नाम किसको लिखने
Tawhid, put on your video, please.
नहीं रीड करना ये
Tawhid,
राइट है कि नहीं कभी-कभी देखो CRO grow wing 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 PLA देखो इसलिए बोल रहे ट्राई करो PLAN का PLANTS plants
okay. Ayat done. Ibrahim, have you written, Ibrahim?
Yes. I did.
Show me. Good, Ibrahim. Very good, beta. Good. Khadija, Asma.
I'm so fast and I like studying.
Very good. Ibrahim wrote very fast today. Very good, Ibrahim. Let me come to Khadija, Asma. Show me your notebook once. Very good, Mariam Bola. What about Asma, Khadija, Mifra, Tawhid, Mariam Sheikh? Good morning, beta. Very good, Khadija.
Ma'am, I know you can't see the date on my phone. Ma'am, this is the date.
Good morning, Mariam Sheikh. Nothing much, beta. We have just written today's date and the topic that we are going to study today. Nothing much. What about
Excuse me,
Kabir?
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mariam, tell me.
I know you can't see the date.
Show me your notebook once, then I'll get to know whether I can see or I cannot see. Bring it closer to the camera. I can see the date. I can see the date.
I can see a
I can see the date and the topic. You have written both the things on your notebook.
and my name.
Okay, so what we are going to study today, listen everybody. We are going to study about plants only. Yes, yes, Mifra, tell me.
I want to show you something.
Show me.
Do you see this monster?
Just a moment. Yeah, I saw it.
It looks like it's a friendly monster.
It looks like a friendly monster.
Right?
Why? Does
Right?
it look like a smiling monster or a laughing monster?
Yes.
Right. This is
I
so
know.
happy monster,
see.
Mifra.
I know. Now see. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, this monster has become so big.
And angry too.
Yes, now it has opened its
I
mouth.
made it by myself.
Very good, Mifra. Very good, beta. Now, quickly let us come to the study part of plants. You all know that you have plants at your home, right? Kabir is having a plant at his home. Ayat, Mifra, Asma, Rufeda, everybody saw one plant. Anywhere you can see many type of plants. Very good, Kabir, beta. Very good. So there are different. Yes, Mifra.
Look.
Yes. See, there's so many plants near about you, right, Mifra? So
Yes.
what happens? There are different types of plants, right? We can also eat plants' leaves like tulsi. We can eat leaves of tulsi. It is very healthy for us. We can also like plants with fruits. Yes, Mifra.
Over there, parrots come, pigeons come, crows come, jungle
Yes.
crow come.
Oh my God, Mifra. And do you know, Mifra?
Ma'am, you can even eat pudina plant.
Yes, we can eat different types of different parts of plant. Wait, I'm showing to you on book.
But we cannot eat flowers.
Yes. Now look here. Look here on the screen, everybody. Look here. Everybody, pay attention here. See, what are the parts of plant that you can eat, that every one of us can eat? See the first one. First one. We can eat leaves of the plant. The first one over here, the lettuce. This lettuce is leaf of a plant. Or forget about this. If you haven't seen this, I hope you have seen tulsi tree. Or one tree that Rufeda said just now. Rufeda, unmute and tell me any leaf that you can eat of a plant. Unmute.
Which one you can eat?
We can eat the leaves of like
Yes, beta, you told me just now. Okay, no problem. No problem, Rufeda. But there are many leaves of plants that we can eat directly. Like whenever you feel something like cough and cold or sneezing or coughing, then what do? You take if you take tulsi leaves, no, some tulsi leaves, and take it for 2 days and 3 days, and you will feel well. Your cough and cold will move away. And when we eat carrots, carrots and all, these carrots, when we eat it, these are coming from the roots of the plants. Okay, yes, Asma, unmute. Asma is also willing to share something. Yes, Asma, tell me, beta.
Ma'am, carrots make your eyes good.
Yes. And do you know
Ma'am,
where
I know some of the vegetables that grow in the roots.
Tell me anyone, Asma?
Potato.
Very good. Anyone else can tell me? Any vegetable that grows on roots? Anyone? Carrot. When you are eating carrot, it means you are eating roots of the plant. Okay, Asya, unmute beta. Okay. Okay, Mariam Sheikh, unmute. Coming to you, Mifra beta. Coming to you, Mifra beta. Yes, Mariam Sheikh. Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm saying that Mariam Gola also wants to say something.
Okay, beta, I'm coming to her. I'm coming to her. Okay, let me come to Mariam Gola. Unmute. Coming to you, Mifra. Just a moment, beta. Coming to you, beta. Yes.
Onion.
Very good. Mifra, unmute. You also tell me.
Do you know I am ill?
Oh, you're not well.
No.
Oh, what happened, Mifra?
I got a cough and cold.
Oh.
And I'm sneezing too.
So what happens whenever you feel something like cough and cold, you take a little bit of honey also. You will feel well. Take a little bit of tulsi leaves. You will feel well. So when we are eating carrots, means we are eating roots. See, we are eating parts of the plant, right? Because those vegetables that grow under the roots, that grows from the roots, it means when we eat it, we are eating roots of that plant. We also eat leaves of the plant. And do you know, we also eat some flowers of the plant? There are some flowers that also we eat. Yes, Asma. Unmute, beta. Share us something.
Ma'am, onion also is underground.
Yes,
vegetable.
absolutely right. Absolutely right. Onion also grow under the ground. So there are many parts of plant that we can eat. Kabir, Ibrahim, did you understand? Okay. Sometimes we eat some flowers also. Some flowers of the plant are also very healthy. So see here, the purple flower here on the screen. See? Mariam Sheikh, Mariam Gola, Amna, Khadija, Tawhid, Asya. Look here on the screen, beta. Ayat, you also. This purple flower, it is saffron. We also eat saffron. So whenever you are eating any flowers or any saffron or any flowers, it is also very, very, very healthy for you. Okay, so see, we can also eat main parts of the
Do you
plant.
have a pencil?
If you remember, in the last class,
Did
we
you
were
get part
studying
with the
4
pencil?
main parts of the plant. Ayat, tell me one main part of the plant. Unmute.
No, I don't.
Any one main part of the plant.
Anything. Any pencil.
Ayat, unmute and tell
Yes.
me, beta. Any one main part of the plant. Oh, unmute Ayat, beta.
Root.
Very good. Very good. So can you eat roots of the plant, Ayat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Like carrots. Look here on the screen. Carrot, it grows
Yes.
underground. Yes, when you're
Because
eating.
it's healthy.
Yes. So carrots grow from the roots. So whenever you're eating carrots or underground vegetables, it means you're eating roots of the plant. Kabir, unmute and tell me any one main part of the plant.
Carrot.
One part of the plant, beta. Any one part of the plant.
Flower.
Very good. So do you eat flower of a plant? I'm so sorry. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kabir. Now let me come next to Asya. Unmute. Tell me any one main part of the plant.
Root.
Yes, roots is also one main part of the plant. Okay, so let's write on a notebook, everybody, and then I will come to you also, any one of you. Okay, let's write it. That we can, let's write, everybody, coming to each one of you, we can eat parts of the plant. Like leaves, then roots. Somebody said me roots. Flowers also. And stem also. Who can tell me? Ahmed Noor Wayed, unmute. Khadija, unmute.
Ma'am, the first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Khadija. So Khadija, there are many parts of plant that we can eat, but can we eat stem of the flower, stem of the plant, beta?
Then there will be.
Yes, we can eat
capital
the stem of the plant because celery is also a stem.
And then there will be capital
Excellent,
A
excellent,
in R.
excellent. There are some stems of the plant also that we eat. So see, we can eat all plants. Plant is so important for us. Right? Okay. Now, let me come to Mariam Sheikh. Unmute. Tell me, beta, now, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, can you show the first screen?
The whiteboard, beta, or the book part?
The book part.
The book part. Okay. Just a moment. See here. See, when you are eating leaves like lettuce, like tulsi, it means you are eating leaves of the plant. When you're eating carrots, potato, sweet potato, it means you are eating roots of the plant. When you are eating celery, or any onion stem also. It means you are eating stem of the flower. When you are eating saffron flower, when you are eating flowers of the plant. Yes, Mariam, go unmute and tell me, do you want to say something? Yes, beta, tell me.
Can you follow my
Yeah, sure, why not?
Ma'am, can you wait a little? I'm writing those.
You're writing this one, but you don't need to write it, Mariam.
I want to write it.
Okay, okay. What we will do is we will write it on the whiteboard also. Okay. You don't need to write this part, Mariam. But some plants, some plants are good to eat. Okay, parts of plant are good to eat, but all plants are not good to eat. Some plants are not healthy for us. Do not scribble, please. Now, okay, let's write these 2 lines and then I will go back to that book part. Okay, Asma, unmute and tell me. Okay, beta. Asma, tell me, beta, what do you want to say? Do not scribble, please.
Ma'am, can we only write 2 lines?
Yeah, sure, beta. Only 2 lines. I'll not go above that. Only 2 lines. Okay, Asma?
Ma'am, if you want to eat the plants, then you have to wash them first. It's very
Very good.
important to wash them.
Yes. Even fruits, vegetables, before eating any
Because
fruits,
sometimes
vegetables,
they
you
can
need to
be
wash it.
dirty and ants can come on them.
Very good. Asma knows many things about plants and vegetables. Very good, Asma. Okay, let me come to Asya, unmute. Asya, did you understand, beta? Whatever we studied about plants?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can we eat plants or parts of plant, Asya? Yes, Asya. Tell me, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So, write it down on your notebook that we can eat parts of plant. Yasir Wahid, unmute. Yasir, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yasir. Now, Yasir, can you tell me, beta, that any one parts of plant that we can eat?
Chocolate.
Any one parts of plant, beta. Any one parts of plant.
Carrot.
Very good. Carrot comes from where? Where does carrot grows? It grows on the leaves or it grows underground, Yasir?
Underground.
Very good. So when you're eating carrot, are you eating roots of the plant, Yasir?
Yes.
When you are eating carrot, then
Yes.
it means, are you eating roots of the plant?
No.
Yes, beta. Because do you know carrot?
I not eat.
Oh, you don't eat carrot. Oh, do you eat potato?
I eat carrot. Not eat carrot leaf.
Okay, okay, but carrot grows underground. It grows on the roots of the plant. So whenever you're eating carrot, it means you are eating roots of the plant. So you're getting more stronger and stronger.
Yes.
Okay, now quickly write it down on your notebook, everybody. Everybody, please complete the writing part.
Notebook.
Okay, coming to okay, Mifra, unmute and tell me, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mifra. Have you written down? Oh, God bless you, beta. Get well soon, Mifra. Yes, Mifra. Tell me, beta. Are you writing?
No.
No, only 2 lines, beta. See, only small 2 lines. Very good, Ayat. Excellent, Ayat. Very good. Ayat completed. Very good, Ayat. Good girl. See, Mifra, Ayat completed. It is such a small line, no? You can just write it in 2 minutes. See, it is now 10:30.
Don't like to write.
Oh, I know you don't like to write. That is why I try to give small lines so that Mifra can complete it fast. Because Mifra doesn't like writing, no? That is why. I give only small lines. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 words. Only 5 words. Such a small lines. Quickly write it, Mifra. See, everybody is writing, beta. What are you making, Mifra? Mifra.
Yes.
Yes, Mifra. Mifra, there are only 2 lines, beta. Quickly write it down. Quickly, beta, please. See, everybody is waiting for Mifra to complete the writing part. Everybody is waiting for you. So many Mifra's friend is waiting. Yes, Asma, beta, unmute.
Look.
Very good, Mifra. Completed, Asma. Very good, Asma. Very good. Excellent, Asma. Asma has started writing very fast these days. Very good, Asma. Okay, Mariam Gola, unmute. Yes, sure, Mariam.
We can eat part of the plant.
Good.
Leaves, root,
Flowers, stems.
and stems.
Very good. Let me come to Ayat done, Asma done, Mariam done. Okay, Rufeda also done. Very Rufeda, can you please read it out for me? What have you written? Unmute Rufeda, beta.
Growing plants.
Very good, Ahmed Nurbayat.
We can eat the plant.
We can eat parts of the plant, beta. See, parts.
We can eat the parts of the plant.
Very good.
The
Like.
plant.
Very good. Now, Kabir, read the next line. Okay, okay. Read it, Rufeda.
Okay.
Very good, Amna. Very good, Amna, beta.
Like
It's
leaves,
roots,
flowers,
stems. Very good, Rufeda. Now, who has done? Amna done. Okay, Amna, quickly read the first line that you have written. Then Kabir will read the next line. Amna, read the first line what you have written. Oh, Yasir written. Very good, Yasir. Very good, Yasir, beta. You have also started writing very fast. Very good to see. I'm proud of you, Yasir. I'm proud of you. Very good, Yasir. Coming to you, Kabir, Mariam Sheikh. Okay, Kabir, unmute. And you read the first line.
We
Hmm?
can
Hmm?
eat
Hmm? Hmm?
parts of the plants.
Excellent. Now, Mariam Sheikh, unmute and read the second line.
Like
Hmm? Leaves.
leaves, roots, flowers, stems.
Excellent. Have you written it down, Mariam Sheikh?
Yes.
Very good. Oh my God. These days you all have started writing very fast. Very good to see. Okay. Now, who will read the first line? Khadija, read the first line for me.
It is singular and plural.
We can eat parts of the plant,
Excellent,
leaves,
Khadija.
roots, flowers, stems.
Excellent. Now, Asya, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Asya. Can you read the first line, Asya? Coming, Mifra beta. Coming, Mifra beta. Asya,
Yeah.
read the first line. We can. Asya, do not put off the video, beta. Ibrahim, show me your notebook. Ibrahim, show me your notebook. Okay, Ibrahim, you have written. Unmute quickly. Quickly. Ibrahim, unmute yourself. Unmute Ibrahim.
Unmute.
Yes, Ibrahim, have you completed writing?
No.
No. So where are you still writing?
You've written? No, I see. Teacher, aware.
Well, I'm almost near today because I'm almost near.
Almost done.
Yes, almost.
Very good, Ibrahim. Very good. You have written the first line, na, dear?
Written to write sentences. Tell teacher.
I'll write a 2 sentence.
Very good, beta. I saw you are writing. I think you have completed the first line and you are in the last line. Good. Now, Mifra, unmute. And those who have completed, you can leave the class, beta. You're
No.
free. Very good. Mifra, you have written the 2 lines,
Yes.
beta, but I cannot see it.
I didn't write.
I got you. Okay, no worries, Mifra. I will be sharing it on Google Classroom, beta, but do write during the class. Okay. See, everybody is writing. Ibrahim is also writing so fast. Okay. Ayat, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, Ayat?
Done this.
Excellent. Ayat, Amna, done. Very good. So you... Yes, beta, Ayat can leave. Bye-bye. Amna can also leave the class. Rufeda can also leave the class. Khadija, Kabir. Love you, beta. Kabir, Rufeda, Khadija, Mariam Sheikh can also leave the class. Asma can also leave the class. Who is this? Okay, Yasir can also leave the class. Yasir completed. Excellent, Yasir. Excellent. Excellent. I'm really very proud of you today. Okay. Now, Ahmed Noor Wayed done. You can also leave the class.
Done.
Yasir, you can also leave the class, beta. Very good, Yasir. Unmute Yasir. Mariam Sheikh, you can also leave the class,
Very,
beta.
very much. Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome, Yasir.
I complete it.
Oh my God, Ibrahim. Mind blowing, Ibrahim. Love you, Ibrahim.
I like it.
Very good, Ibrahim, beta. Very good. Very good. A big, big clap for Ibrahim. Very good. Now Ibrahim can play with the helicopter. You can leave the class, Ibrahim. Okay, go enjoy. Okay, Mariam Sheikh, unmute and tell me.
Also to the other teachers.
Sure, beta, sure.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta, tell me.
I'm saying that can you show the book part?
Okay, beta, I'm sharing the book part. But have you completed here?
Yes.
Okay. But Mifra is still writing. I think she has just started writing. Right, Mifra? Have you just started writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you writing the first line?
I'm writing them growing plants.
Okay. You have not started with the first line also. Okay. Wait, Mifra. Wait, beta. I will share it on Google Classroom, Mifra. You can write it down from there also. Okay, Mifra, beta.
Okay.
Okay, but
I
Mifra,
want
this
to
is...
write it now.
You want to write it now? Okay, beta. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, write the first line. Only first line for today. Okay, Mifra?
Okay.
Okay, write the first line. Take your time, write the first line. Oh. So, Mariam Sheikh, beta,
Yes.
you want to see the book part, but Mifra has just started writing, beta. See, she has not even written the first time, beta. She has just started writing. So, we need to help her out. Right, Mariam?
Ma'am, I'm saying that she can do it. After that, can you show the book part?
Yeah, sure, beta. Or you want to see that part of the book? Shall I share it on Google Classroom if you want, Mariam?
No, I can do it here.
You can do it here. Okay. But I think till then your next class will start, beta. Then how you will be able to attend the next class?
Ma'am, it's a little time. I just saw the clock.
Okay, no problem. Asya, unmute and show me. Have you completed writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me a notebook, Asya. Okay, completed, Asya. Okay, good, Asya, good. Okay, Mifra, can you tell us where are you writing?
I'm still writing to the we can eat.
Okay, you are writing we can eat.
Yes.
Okay, beta. Okay, just write the first line, Mifra, okay? Because Mariam Sheikh is also waiting. No, I will have to show her the book part, okay? So write the first line and second line I will write for you specially in the next class. Okay, Mifra?
Okay,
Write parts. P-A. Are you writing parts? Very good, Tohid. Excellent, Tohid.
Yes.
Good.
I'm writing.
Okay, write it. I'm saying P-A-R. Write it down. P-A-R.
Then
T-S. Parts. T-S. Parts. Then off. O-F. Off. O-F. Off. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. T-H-E. The. H-E. T-H-E. The. Plant. P-L-A. Right?
wait a minute, I have to erase it.
Okay.
Let me write it again. Then
P-L-A-N-T. Finish.
ma'am, is she done?
Yes, beta. She's done with the first line. Done, Mifra?
I want to write the second line too.
Beta, but Mariam is also waiting, no? I will write for you again in the next class. I will write for you, okay? Don't worry, Mifra. Now I will be showing it to Mariam Sheikh, okay? And Mifra, I will be showing to you again, Mifra. Don't worry. I will be sharing to you. Once again, I will write for you, Mifra, in the next class. Don't worry, beta. I will surely write for you, I promise.
Can I leave?
Yes, beta.
Bye.
Bye-bye, beta. Yes, now, Mariam Sheikh, tell me, beta. What
Ma'am,
do
I
you
just want to write it. I want to write.
What do you want to write from here, Mariam?
Ma'am, you can say the upper things, right?
Okay, but beta, this section, no, we are going to do during the class. All will write during the class, Mariam. Everyone. You want to write all these parts of plant? I mean,
Yes.
okay. But beta, we all will write during the class, beta. Then why do you want to write extra?
Because I like writing.
Okay, write it down. Are you in the first one?
No, I'm writing the second one. Which had the line.
Okay. Right, carrots, C-A.
Yes.
Double R. Write it quickly. Double R. O-T-S. O-T-S. Right? O-T-S.
Yes, done.
Next one, right? C-E.
Huh?
L-E. You write it down. I'm telling, write it down. Celery.
Ma'am, where are you saying?
I'm saying this one, beta. Celery.
No, ma'am, the down one I'm writing. Yes, that one.
Leaves.
The second line. Yes. Leaves. I wrote LEAVES. That. And
You're
then
writing
leaves.
complete line, Miss Mariam.
No, I'm only writing this.
Which one, beta? I'm not able to understand. Which line, beta?
Ma'am, can you give the annotation? I'll just circle it and
Okay. But beta, we will do it during the class, Mariam. Otherwise, everybody will feel very boring, no? Okay, so let's keep it for the next class, Mariam.
Ma'am, can you just let me write this one? Only one.
Okay, write only one.
I'm not done yet, okay?
Yes.
I'm not done yet.
Okay.
अपने के आगे जाके हम उसको देखा तो उतना
Done, Mariam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.